This tutorial is going to show you how to upload a photo or video to an assigned Google Classroom task using a laptop or desktop computer. As an example, I'm going to click on this Week 9 art task and view assignment. You will first need to read through the explanation provided so that you know exactly what you need to do. Also, you'll notice that this particular task has some attached resources, so you can click on them and view them, then carry on with your task. Once you have completed your task, you will need to take a photo of it. You will notice in the right hand corner, there is a box that says Your Work. Click the button that says Add or Create. It will then prompt you to select a file from your device. So you will need to locate the file that you wish to upload. Once you have, click the button that says Upload. And once it has finished uploading, you will be able to click the button that is now purple and says Hand In. Once it is handed in, you will notice above it says Handed In. This is just an extra to show you what the teacher can see when they are looking at the assigned task. They'll click on it and they'll be notified of which students and how many have handed in their task. They can click on it, read or view, and write some feedback for you. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to upload a photo or video to an assigned Google Classroom task.